how to sign up for Elevenlabs. So go to Google, just write Elevenlabs and go to their official website. Then go to the app. It says here go to app. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, and more, or continue with email. So this is login. So we need to sign up. So we click here. Then insert your email and password. Agree to the terms, sign up. Password does not meet our security requirement. Let's try add another letter. Okay, sent us an email. Now we need to verify it. Okay, over here it says verify your email. And it's verified. Close it. Now we can sign in. Sign in. Okay, and we are inside. To light mode. Name. What did you hear about us? Doesn't matter. Google, let's. And that's it. We signed up.